Well, while vaccine access is expanding, it still isn't equal. A vaccine finder map in Maricopa County, which you see on your screen there, shows fewer than 24 primary care doctors are giving the vaccine right now. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg explains why your local physician plays such a big role.
A new survey by Kaiser Family Foundation shows how likely people would be to get a vaccine depending on where it's given. 75% responding saying they would be very likely if the vaccine was at their own doctor's office.
We've given out 1,200 vaccines to our local communities and to developmentally disabled individuals in group settings.
Dr. Andrew Carroll is one of those family doctors who's able to give the vaccine at his Chandler office.
I fully appreciate that patients want to get their vaccine from their doctor. It's where they've always gotten it before. It's where they typically get their flu shots. So I think it's time for the federal government and state government to really push these vaccines out to primary care providers.
The survey also finding that people would most likely get the vaccine at a local pharmacy, a hospital, and 44% say they're likely to get the vaccine at a site run by the government.
I was not surprised by the Kaiser surveys. I think that data reflects what we have always anticipated which would happen, which is people want to get it at their physician's offices.
Sean Martin is with the American Academy of Family Physicians. This week, they sent a letter to top leaders in D.C. saying they recommend equitable vaccine distribution, adding that it is frustrating that primary care has been overlooked as an outlet for equitable vaccine distribution, even though it is equipped to target those most vulnerable and in need.
The biggest concern I have is not Maricopa County, lovely place, but it's all of the ex-urban and rural communities outside of Maricopa County where you do not have large vaccination opportunities.
We do know that hundreds of local practices have pre-qualified with the state to give the vaccine. Now we wait for the supply chain to open up. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.
Now, there are a few different ways to sign up for our COVID-19 vaccine, so we've put them all together on a single webpage. Just head over to abc15.com/vaccine, and there you're going to be able to find a number you can call and the registration websites as well for the state and Maricopa County. That's also where we're going to get you the latest news on who is eligible for the vaccine and the biggest vaccine headlines.